this video, I will be talking about a crazy Bitcoin breakdown that currently is occurring on the market, and I will be exactly talk about my price targets, where I do think Bitcoin is heading towards next, and much more, because I will be going over the most important levels of support and resistance to be watching right now. So don't forget to slap up that like button. On the previous video, we smashed it up above 400 likes, and can we today maybe smash it above 500 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. So with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin, we can currently once again see we are seeing that significant drop happening right now on the exact time of recording. So what is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? That is going to be the big question. And also, where will Bitcoin find some support at? So currently, we can see also on the 1 hour time frame, we are literally forming a new low than we were also forming last time around here on the 7th of September. So after forming the low here on the 7th of September, we can currently clearly see we formed even a lower low than that point over there, and this is confirming that Bitcoin is currently setting a new low in the market we have not seen for an approximately, let me say this correctly, 93 days here. So this is of course a very interesting topic to talk about right now. So once looking at the 4 hourly time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see that after we first of all broke below this important range right here where I have been talking about, I said to everyone, if we do break towards the downside of this very important level of support, we are going to be expecting more downside to be happening, and also the exact other way around. And like you can see, we broke below the very important level of support, and straight away after that we saw a significant dump happening on the market. But of course, what probably everyone will ask me right now here is, where will we find some support? And honestly, if I do look at the trend right here, and let me open up the 6 hour time frame right now, remove all the drawings for a second, we can currently clearly see that basically the previous low in the market for Bitcoin was around the 17.5k. What is on the current time of recording only another 5% down, or $850 towards the downside. I honestly think there is a potential scenario where Bitcoin is going to touch this level, and in my opinion right now, after we also confirmed a break below the previous low on the market, what we can clearly see right here, I honestly do think that Bitcoin is most likely going to touch this 17.5k, and if we do touch this 17.5k, I expect there's going to be a lot of support come back in towards the market. But like I also told everyone on yesterday's update video, if we're going to be looking at the bigger picture on Bitcoin, and we're really going to be looking at our very important level of support, what is currently the previous all-time high for Bitcoin, if we realistically speak break below this level, I honestly expect that the next big level of support for Bitcoin will be getting found somewhere around the $14,000. So in case Bitcoin clearly breaks below the 17.5k, our next big target of support is not going to be 15 or 16k. No, it's going to be around that $14,000 target for Bitcoin. So yes, we are indeed in very big problems for Bitcoin right now. And if we in case fall below the 17.5k, the previous low on the market, I do honestly expect that Bitcoin can actually see that more downside still happening towards the market. So make sure that you have a strategy that is going to cover every single scenario, whether Bitcoin is going to be bouncing from here on or not. For me, it's going to be remaining the same strategy like I already have, and that is dollar cost average in towards the market every single day. And currently I have been in a small little shorting position with the cryptocurrency trading algorithm CryptoC. CryptoC is a trading algorithm that trades for you, and with me using this trading algorithm, I'm basically hedging my bets a little bit here. If Bitcoin is going to drop, I am not really necessarily getting hurt that much here, because we are also shorting the market towards the downside, and already we've made more than $1,600 in profit over the last 24 hours. So yeah, this is of course my expectation, what we can currently see. And also, if I'm going to look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see that we're trading in a very interesting pattern called a descending triangle, where you can clearly see on the market right now here, we are forming lower highs every single time here. And while we're seeing this, we're basically having a floor price around that $18,000 towards $19,000. If this floor price does clearly gets broken on the daily time frame, I honestly do expect we're going to be in some more problems, and then the targets around that 17.5k and those targets around the $14,000 could be maybe become realistic, and could be maybe in fact happen for Bitcoin right there. So make sure that you're going to be watching the market right now here, because if we do confirm the break below that 18 $100,000 on the daily candle. I honestly think that Bitcoin has got a very big problem on the market right now. And also, if I'm looking at the market right here, I can currently see that the daily time frame is also confirming a lower low, and that is currently also identifying that we're still trading in this downtrend. So yes, do still expect we could be potentially see that more downside coming towards the market right now. So also, if I do look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see that the daily time frame is breaking a very important trend here, because yes, on the daily time frame we were getting supported right here, we were getting supported right here, and currently it does clearly look like we potentially are breaking below this important level of support. And on the bigger picture, we were creating somewhat of a symmetrical triangle, and like I told you yesterday, this pattern will be creating a big move in the coming 24 days, but of course it can also already play out today. And the price target we're going to be aiming for, if we do clearly break bearish of this pattern right here, is around the $12,000 for Bitcoin. What is of course a shocking price target that I won't like to be seeing on the market. But yes, these are currently the facts that we are going to be facing if we do break bearish for Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame right here. Still, I want to be pointing out that currently we could be well also in a very large fake out on the market, and just like the super guppy indicators currently also telling us, like the previous bear markets, that we are currently at an end stage of the bear market. And I also still approach it like an end stage of the bear market, and due to this fact, I will keep on dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day. So this was it for today's update video. If you are maybe interested in trading on Bybit, don't forget to check out the link in the description, because currently you can trade with 0% fees if you do use the highest link in the description on Bybit. And also you can claim a free $1,000 long or short position after a $1,000 initial deposit, and it's going to be only valid if you do sign up using the link in the description right here. So thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.